So in this video, we are going to talk just a little bit about utility. So what does utility mean? Utility refers to the usefulness of an assessment. So either how easy it is to give or how quick it is to give. And when you're talking about that, you're talking about efficiency and sensitivity. Let's go in a little bit more on those. So if you consider this to be any given child, these are maybe some things that they struggle with down here, and it's all the information that you want to learn about them through the assessment that you're giving. Now, this red line is going to be a very sensitive test. You can see that it's sensitive because it's an in-depth test. It goes very far down here, and down here is where it's getting a lot of information about the child. Usually, though, if you consider the length of the line, the length of the test, a sensitive test is going to take a very long time. It's also going to be more difficult on the child. But when you're looking for assessment information to make a decision on something, you might want a more sensitive test because you need to know where that child struggles. Now, if you look up here, this is going to be your most efficient test. It kind of just scrapes the surface up here. It's a short test, but you are sacrificing some accuracy when you make your test too efficient. So what you want to do is you want to be this blue line right here. You want it to be sensitive, but you also want it to be efficient. So it's shorter, but it still goes into enough depth to get information about the child. And sometimes you need a test that's more sensitive, and with some children, you need a test that's more efficient.